Ready to level up your Brawl Stars game without breaking the bank? We're diving into how to use a Google Play gift card to snag those sweet gems. First up, make sure you've got your Google Play gift card ready. Scratch off the protective layer on the back to reveal your redemption code. Next, open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. It's usually found on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tap the menu icon, the three horizontal lines in the top left corner, then select Redeem from the menu options. Enter the gift card code that you scratched off earlier into the text field. Double check to make sure you've entered it correctly, then tap Redeem. You should see a confirmation message that the gift card has been successfully redeemed and the balance has been added to your Google Play account. Now, launch Brawl Stars on your device. Navigate to the in-game shop. You'll usually find it represented by a gem icon. Now, select the gem pack you want to purchase. When you tap on the gem pack, a Google Play payment window will pop up. It will show your Google Play balance. Tap to confirm your purchase using your Google Play balance. Boom, your gem purchase is complete. Now you can unlock new brawlers, skins, and all sorts of goodies. Have fun and happy brawling.